So I'm a big food fanatic. I love anything about food. I love talking about it, eating it, watching it, reading it. So I thought, now, what can I do now that we're all stuck and isolated? So I thought, well, I'll share some of my favourite recipes with you. So today I've made apple crumble. So I've stewed some apples that I've had left over and just put a bit of brown sugar in and some cinnamon and nutmeg. Stewed it all up in a pan. And here's my crumble. It's 300 grams of plain flour, 200 grams of butter and 175 grams of brown sugar. Now you mix it together so it's like fine breadcrumbs, which is what I've done now. And then I can put this on top of my apple. Spread it evenly, of course. There we go. And the best thing about this is, once it's cooked, it can be frozen. So there'll be no waste. Cook it in the oven for about 30 minutes on 180, so nice and crunchy on the top and bubbling. And then when it's cool, put it in a freezer container, pop it in the freezer where it'll keep for a couple of months. Enjoy.